Recently, the Pro-40 PBS was delivered to one of our key clients, a company specializing in the production of large-scale welded structures including industrial tanks, silos, storage vessels, and piping systems, and fully customized solutions based on individual engineering designs for this client. The challenge was clear. They needed a cost-effective, robust solution for preparing the edges of thick-walled stainless steel and carbon steel pipes prior to welding. The Pro-40 PBS, a powerful, versatile solution for beveling and facing pipes, tanks, and tubes ranging from 200 to 1,000 millimeters in diameter. Designed for heavy-duty industrial applications, delivers precise, consistent bevels with widths up to 45 millimeters and angles adjustable between 0 and 60 degrees, making it ideal for a wide range of welding preparations. At the heart of the machine is a high-speed rotary milling head with replaceable inserts, offering performance that far surpasses traditional single-point machining. Until now, their process involved manual grinding or portable machines mounted on the pipe, both of which required frequent retooling. With the installation of the Pro-40 PBS, the workflow has changed significantly. The result? Improved precision and weld quality, shorter preparation times, reduced operator fatigue, and a clear return on investment from day one. Thanks to its wide diameter capacity and quick change milling inserts, the machine allows for fast setup, minimal downtime, and highly repeatable bevels, even on difficult materials. Moreover, optional internal beveling and J-groove end preparation give the customer added flexibility for complex weld configurations. The Pro-40 PBS, precision where it counts, performance when it matters.